काका सिद्धी आहे का? अरे आहे ना, रूम मध्ये बसलाय. अरे त्याला जरा बाहेर घेऊन जा, सारखं फोन मध्ये असतो. हो हो.
आवरून नाश्त्याला ये सिद्ध्या.
हा येतोय ना.
ए सिद्ध्या, काय झालंय असं विचित्र सारखं काय वागतोय? जाऊ चल. काका सिद्धी आहे का? अरे आहे ना, रूम मध्ये बसलाय. अरे त्याला जरा बाहेर घेऊन जा, सारखं फोन मध्ये असतो. हो हो.
For our last story tonight, let's go back to February 28th, when 14-year-old Suel Setzer took out his phone and texted his best friend, Dani. Setzer told Dani that he misses her, and Dani urged him to come home to her. So Setzer put down the phone, took his stepfather's gun and pulled the trigger. He killed himself. Setzer lived in Florida. He was in the 9th grade, and he had been texting Dani constantly for about a year. Some of the chats were romantic or sexual, but often they were sad. Setzer told Dani that he felt empty, exhausted, that he hated himself, and even talked about thoughts of suicide. And somewhere the line between real and artificial blurred, because Dani is not human. It is an AI chatbot, a lifelike chatbot.